What's up, people? Just finished a quick workout. Gonna get a quick lunch at Two Man's Bagel House, one of my favorite bagels in Singapore. And we'll be checking out the latest Sony 20mm f1.8 G lens. Let's go! At Wisma Atria, and we're gonna find our test subject or model for today. Hello.
Hi.
Test subject number 1 or model.
Yeah, that sounds better than test subject.
Oh look, it's the Sony 20mm f1.8 G lens. Let's first talk about its build quality. It feels good in hand, it has a premium feel to it, and comes with a declickable aperture ring with a maximum aperture of f1.8 to f22. This lens is also weather sealed, claims to have dust and moisture resistance, and also has a rubber gasket at the mounting section. Providing an ultra-wide view of 94 degrees, it'll be good for things like landscapes, food, vlogs, or maybe the long legs that your girlfriend always wanted. Or maybe boyfriend. Pairing its field of view with an aperture this big, I can't wait to see how it shines in astrophotography. When it comes to sharpness, there's no way that Sony is going to give this away. Just look at it, it's self-explanatory. It's so sharp, even at wide open f1.8. Personally, I'm not a pixel peeper, but just to show you guys, I tried to blow it up as big as I could, but I can't find any flaws in it. Autofocus is smooth, quick, and practically silent, but I notice a little bit of focus breathing when you try to focus somewhere that's very close and immediately turn into somewhere that's very far. One of the key highlights about this lens is the minimum focusing distance, standing at 19 cm. It's important for a wide-angle lens to get up close because it can act as a macro lens and also to maximize the bokeh. So here's an example. When I go closer to her eyes, the bokeh gets very prominent, but as I move away from her, it gets less blurred. This lens has 9 aperture blades, helping to shape that perfectly rounded balls. I mean bokeh balls. It renders the blurry bits very well, smooth and buttery, something you would expect from a lens at this price range. In conclusion, if you're planning on doing vlogs, lifestyle photography, food photography, or even landscapes, I think this is by far the most suitable lens for all of them. Being a prime lens means it loses out on the zoom capability, but in exchange, what you're getting is the lighter weight, the better quality, and the bigger aperture. Sony has done a really good job in this lens. Kudos! Thank you for watching today's episodes of Poor Man's Review. So if you like this video, please leave a like down below, and if you want to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out. See you guys in the next one.